Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at database and how we can do a calculation in database. Yes, calculation, like calculate like figures and all of that. Calculate like quantity and price. So I'm going to be guiding you through it. Some of you might not sure if you can do calculation in database, but I'm going to take you through this step by step. Right? So let us dive in. Let's see. All right. So first we want to bring up a database. Right? A blank database. But if you notice, this itself is a blank database, right? On both sides. So we want to create the table in order for us to get the figure in it. So the first thing we want to come up here to the create tab and click on the create tab. When you click on the create tab, then what we wanted to do is to put some start our basic figure 8, 9. Alright, so notice we have table here, we have table design. So we're going to click on table design here. Right, so notice you bring up fee name, data type, and description. So up here, we're just going to put a simple ID, just like that. When I come over here, I can click on this little box and just put it at auto number. Right, so right underneath it right here, I'll put quantity. Right, put quantity right here. And when I go over here, I'm going to change that and put that to number. Right, it's like that. So right underneath it, I'm going to put price. When I put price now, I'm going to come right here. I'm going to move it from text. I'm going to click here on currency. Right? Wonderful. Now I do that now. So I want to click right here now and put in the primary key, which is this right here. So notice I click, the primary key is added. So next thing I wanted to do is to save it. So I'm going to come right here and click on save it. Notice it asks me what I want to name it. Alright. So I'm just going to give it a name. And I'm just going to call it customer. Right, and then I'm going to click OK. Just like that, and notice the table show up over here. So I'm going to come all the way to my right here. Just click on this X, close the table. Right, so I want to bring up my table just straight. I'm going to click on that. Right, so here I'm going to put a quantity. Like that. Let me. Good. And then I'm going to put a price now. You can actually use it right arrow to go across, the down arrow to go down, the left arrow to go back to the left. Now that. So I'm going to put a price here. Right, and then we're going to go down now. We're going to put back another price again. Right, and then we're going to go to your left. And then we're going to put the quantity. Right, we're going to go down again. We're going to put another quantity right there. Then you go across to put that next price here. If you notice, we're going to go down. We're going to put another price. Just like that. Then we're going to go across and put the quantity. Again, we're going to put the quantity here. All right, when it's finished now, you know it's actually finished with it. Come right here, you save it again. They actually close it here. Now we actually put the data inside it. The next thing that you wanted to do now is to do the calculation. But how can I do the calculation? First thing you want to come right back here to create. Right, and then you're going to come right over here. Notice it's a query wizard and query design. You're going to click on query design. Right, now bring up this little table right here, in which you can actually move it. But what you're going to do, notice you show you on one table. Here, show you the table, query are both. So I'm going to click here and add. When I click on add, I can come right here and close it. So what I want here now, definitely I want this here. I want the quantity, right? And I want the price, right? This is the quantity and the price. So that's exactly what I wanted to check up completely. All right. So if you notice, all right, all of this stuff over here. So in this particular table here, I can type here total. Right. Let me correct that. Right. I can put your total. Right. So very important right there. When I put it here total. None of that. So what I want to do, I want to put right up there, colon. I want to put a colon there. What I can do definitely, I can set price, the quantity first, quantity. Right, then quantity. Then you're gonna put times, which you hold on the shift key and press the E to put the asterisk, and then say price. Right, CE, just like that. The next thing, you're going to come right up here, you're going to press the word run. Right, you're going to click the word run. You notice right up here, total. Notice everything total. Oh, calculate out. So very important. So that is exactly what you can actually do to calculate this area. Very important here. Very important. Alright, so if you have learned something from this particular video, give the thumbs up, right? And just put a comment in the box. Because maybe some of you try for the longest while, like, hear somebody say you can do it, but you don't know. But now here it is. It actually works. So you calculate everything together.